Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Claude app login issue. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, simply turn on the cellular data. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. After this, go ahead and tap on search at the bottom. Now let's go to the search bar and search for Claude. Tap on the application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the app is updated to its latest version. Once the app has been updated, all the bugs, issues, and app errors will be fixed. Now, the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on apps. From here, you could directly search for Claude. Now, once you come to app info, scroll down below and go ahead and tap on storage. Now at the bottom right corner, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. Now, if you follow all these easy steps, you will be able to fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.